Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21, and today I'm going to show you how you can hide the status bar and also the navigation bar on your screenshots. So right now when we go for the settings, tap on the search pool and type screenshot, we are able to enter the advanced feature screenshot and the screen recorder options. So let's go here, and as you can see currently this option is turned on, right? So let's turn it off and take a screenshot and just open it. And as you can see right now on this screenshot we can find the two bars, right? So to turn it off, you have to go right here on the option and then click on the switcher to hide status and the navigation bars. Let's click another time and make the screenshot, and when we open it for the second time, right now the navigation bar and the status bar doesn't appear on the screen. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!